Hello friends, today's topic is the secret to stay motivated. Are you demotivated? Do you feel like you're demotivated? Most of the humans on this planet most probably keep on feeling that they are demotivated. Now, before getting into the secrets to motivation, let's understand what demotivation actually is. So, I would like to share my views on it. Being demotivated is probably one of the worst feeling in this world. In spite you know that you're not getting any enjoyment from it, the feeling that you're getting nowhere stuck in your head and it's kill you from the inside. So guys, now what are the reasons that you are demotivated? Yes, before understanding how to stay motivated, you needed to understand what are the most important reason you feel like demotivated. So let's understand one by one. The very first reason you may be feeling demotivated is you are not having any purpose in your life. This is the biggest reason that you are working without any goals in your life and you may be feeling demotivated. The second reason you are feeling demotivated is because you fear the progress. Yeah, if you fear the progress, you are very unlikely to move or push yourself. Yes, when you fear the progress, you are most unlikely to move forward. Why so? Because think that your goals are too big and you're very insecure about your goals. If you're very insecure about your goals, you will not get that deep inside motivation. The motivation which comes from inside, the intrinsic motivation, you will be having lack of it. The third reason that you're doing things for a wrong reason. Think like you are doing something which you are not supposed to do. For example, if you are into a profession which you don't like at all and you are doing it and you want the motivation from your inside, but how you will get the motivation now? It is very difficult that you will get motivation from your inside because you are doing things for a wrong reason. You are not having right intentions to do that work or you are not having that inner drive. The reason is that you don't feeling like doing that work. The fourth reason could be you hope more than what you do. For example, say you're doing this much and you're hoping result to be this much and that is the reason you're feeling demotivated. The another reason could be you are suffering from some kind of mental disease and you needed to consult a psychiatrist. Yes, friends, this could be the reason you are suffering from some kind of mental illness, mental disease, and you need some medical help. This can be also a reason of your demotivation. Sixth and the final reasons is that friends that you are having too much big goals. You have thought of a too much big goals and you are right now not able to achieve it. Now what you needed to do in such scenario, you needed to break your goals into small steps and you have to reward yourself after every step is achieved. When you achieve a small step, you have to reward yourself. This will lead you to the motivation which you are feeling demotivated right now. The also reason can be you are not ready to push your limits. Yeah, you procrastinate a lot. You are not in the feeling that you will push yourself and get out of it. Now guys, after discussing so many reasons of demotivation, I am supposed to say you how to stay motivated. Yes, the main agenda of making this video is to make you people aware that there are certain steps. If you follow those certain steps, it is very easy to keep yourself motivated throughout the day. The very first thing I would like to say you that you should have goals in your life. Yes, you should have serious goals with proper deadlines in your life. If your goals are too big, the next steps comes into the play. Now you should break your goals into small steps. Yes, now what you should do, you have to break your goals into small steps. When you will break your goals into small steps and after achieving every goal, here comes the third step. After achieving every small goal, you have to reward yourself. You could reward yourself with a simple chocolate or you can reward yourself with something you like playing, going out for a walk or anything. This will give you a dopamine strike. Okay, so you have to reward yourself after every small achievement. The third thing which I would like to mention here, walk the talk. Yes guys, the next step which I wanted to say you have to walk the talk. Whatever you say, you have to do it by hook or crook. When you will do it, you will feel that motivation from you inside. Also, one thing which can keep you motivated is have good intention. Yes guys, your intention is very important behind any goal. Whatever you are doing in your life, the major part into that thing plays is your intention. So you have to be very genuine with your intention. Also, I would like to make you aware of the feeling that you should practice gratitude. What is meant by practicing gratitude? At the end of the day, whenever you go to the sleep, you have to think you have to be thankful. Basically, you have to be thankful for what you have achieved in your life, and you should feel it from your inside of the heart. When you will feel deep inside the heart, thankful for every breath you take, every food you eat, the family members they are alive, because in 1 second there are many peoples they might be losing their parents, so you should be thankful for what you have. This will keep you so much motivated from inside. Yes guys, among all these steps what I have said, have goals, break those goals into small pieces, and try to achieve those small goals time to time, and reward yourself. And also have said you to walk the talk. What I have said, you walk the talk. Whatever you say, you do it. When you will do it, you will get motivation from inside. Also guys, I would like to make a point. There are two kinds of motivation. One is motivation is called as, one type of motivation is basically called as extrinsic motivation, and the other type of motivation is called as intrinsic motivation. In simple word, one motivation is called external motivation and the other motivation is called as internal motivation. Now you're watching this video, and after this video might be possible that you're knowing few steps how to apply it. After knowing all this step, you are getting motivation which is called as extrinsic motivation, because you're watching this video and you are getting motivated. But after this video, when you are genuinely doing some work and you are unable to find out the motivation, that time the motivation you need is called as intrinsic motivation, and that motivation should come from your heart. That should come from you, from inside of your body. You should feel that motivation inside you. Then that motivation will give you a push over everything else, and you will be a successful. Remember guys, you are a champion and you always win. With this note, I would like to end up this video. If you have any queries, then you can comment down and we will be solving your queries. Thank you so much.